Hey YouTube, how's it going? Yeah, I know this is a little late video, but I was I was at work, so and I just got done, and I kind of stayed a little after had and then got something to eat. So right now I'm just checking my mail. Didn't get anything. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna actually try to, which is I've been kind of doing it. I'm gonna try to get a video in every day, but I can't really, not gonna really say but when I upload, it's probably gonna be when I can get to it. I'm not gonna really specify like a certain time. Um, but I'm gonna try to at least get a video in every day. But I can't really guarantee on a certain time I'll be uploading it. So it's probably gonna be you know when I can get one uploaded. So yeah, I know you're probably saying, where's my video? Where's the video? So yeah, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm gonna try, like I said, try to get a video in every day, but I'm not gonna really, it's gonna be when I can upload. So oh yeah. All right, now just taking my shoes off, relax, and it's probably gonna relax. So yeah. Oh, tired. Shouldn't be on camera. Yeah, but oh well, it happens. And also too, kind of mentioned this too in a couple of my videos too. Uh, that I do have a second channel too. It's Can Man. I think so. Check that channel out. I think there's like a couple videos on there. So subscribe. So check that channel out. Subscribe to it. Give that channel some support. I think right now I think there's like 13 subscribers. So check that channel out and subscribe to that channel. There's a couple of videos, but on that channel I probably won't be uploading a lot on that channel, um but I post sometimes, but it's not like in every it's not going to be like every day thing, it's going to be, whenever. That's basically going to be, I'm going to basically be uploading on the other channel, like, whenever I feel like uploading a video. Um, but though there is a couple videos that I want to try to get up, but um, but I don't know if I can. I gotta see if somehow I can recover them. Cause in the years past, I uploaded them on Facebook, and I don't think I, and I don't know if I can get, and I don't know if I can get those videos. because I don't think I have them in my gallery. I think I deleted those, but I'd actually like to get some of those up onto YouTube, onto my second channel. But I don't know. Those videos may not make it to YouTube unless some way I can find a way that how I can do it. But yeah, so check that channel and subscribe to it, and also you can follow me on Instagram. I do have an Instagram account, and you can like me on Facebook. I do have a YouTube fan page up on Facebook too, so drop a like on that. The links for my second channel and Instagram and the Facebook, the YouTube fan page on Facebook, you can find that if you go into my About page and click on that. It says in blue letters where it says Canman, Instagram, and Facebook. If you just click on that, and it'll bring you straight to that. So check those out. And can't stop yawning here. Just yawning here. Can't be yawning on camera. Find something to drink here. Oh, thirsty. You gotta have some fruit punch here. Yeah, so be sure to check those out. Check that out. My second YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, and then like me on Facebook too. So links are in the About page. Yeah, I had to take the ballroom down. It was, during the summer months is what we do is we lay down the dance floor over on top of the lanes. We lay a dance floor on top of 20 lanes, and then we host events in there. But then now we took that down because now leagues are going to be starting up. So we need those 20 lanes. So now we have, so when we do leagues during the fall winter season, But then when summer comes, then then we'll have to put that ballroom down again. But a lot of moving around, a lot of everywhere. But it is bad. After you do it so many years, yeah, you get used to it. Yeah. I was gonna vlog it, but I can't really. I can't really. It'll kind of be hard to vlog while I'm working and doing it. And plus, I can't have. Not really supposed to be having my cell phone. Can't really be using my cell phone as when I'm working. But those are the rules, you know how that goes. Alright. Alright, I think I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to comment, like, and hit that big red subscribe button so we can make it to 170 subscribers. And don't forget to check out my second channel, Canman. Check that channel out. Subscribe to that channel. And follow me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And check out my YouTube fan page out on Facebook. So, and then like I said, the links for those are in, if you go into my about page, you'll find the links there. Alright, so that's going to end the video. Don't forget to like and hit that big red subscribe button. Let's make it to 170 subscribers. See ya. See you in tomorrow's video.